Warm greetings to you all. Dear friends, in love, intimacy is not merely familiar gestures such as hugging, kissing, or whispering sweet words. It is also the art of connection, a way for two souls to share the same rhythm so that body and emotions find harmony. Everyone has their own preferences, but there are certain forms of closeness that almost every woman longs to experience at least once. They do not only bring ecstasy but also deepen the bond between partners. So, what are they? Let's go through 8 forms of connection that many psychologists and couples admit are treasures to maintain lasting love. First is tenderness in the morning moments. Many women share that their happiest moment is opening their eyes and finding themselves in the arms of the one they love. That tenderness may come from a gentle kiss on the forehead, a warm hug from behind, or simply a loving gaze while both are still half asleep. In the dreamy state of morning, when the mind has not yet been taken over by work or life worries, intimacy becomes purer and more genuine than ever. It is like a sweet warm-up, adding positive energy for the entire day. Psychologists also believe couples who maintain the habit of morning intimacy often show higher happiness levels. They start the day not with hurry but with the feeling of being loved and protected. Second is unexpected, spontaneous moments. If morning tenderness brings peace, then spontaneity brings excitement and freshness. A fiery kiss while waiting at a red light, a tight embrace right after closing the door, or a sudden whisper in a crowded place, all of these stir powerful emotions. Women are often attracted to the feeling of surprise. It reminds them that love is not just duty or routine, but also a blazing instinct. Many confess that such spontaneous gestures make them feel desired and cherished naturally. What matters is sincerity. An unexpected action born of true love always leaves a deep impression. Keeping passion alive. Third is a romantic, well-prepared setting. If spontaneity brings sparks, then a carefully prepared space plants a sense of being treasured. A room filled with candlelight, a few roses, soft background music, small details that reveal thoughtfulness. What moves women is not luxury, but knowing that their partner invests time and effort. It is a statement that they are worthy of something special. A romantic evening is not only for enjoyment but also becomes a memory that makes both smile whenever recalled. These moments contribute to a bank of happy memories in the relationship. Fourth is intense, primal moments. Love is not always gentle and poetic. Sometimes what both crave is strong, instinctive union. These are moments of explosive emotion, no words, no preparation, only raw, energetic connection. Many women say such moments make them feel free, alive, without norms or hesitation, only trust and surrender. It is also a way to release stress, transfer new energy, and balance tenderness with passion, making emotional life richer. Fifth is connection through words and messages. In the digital age, whether near or far, love leans on calls and texts. Do not think intimacy happens only face to face. A simple, "I miss you," or "Did you have lunch?" can maintain powerful emotions. Women are sensitive. Just one caring message can make them feel valued. Bold words or unexpected notes act as seasoning that intensifies love. Experts even recommend couples keep texting affectionate words regularly, even after years together, to rekindle emotions and avoid dullness. Sixth is fresh experiences through love games. Long-lasting love also needs creativity. Trying a fun challenge, a small playful game, or exploring something new together can strengthen connection. Some couples even choose sensual, exploratory games, of course, only with mutual understanding and consent so both feel comfortable. For women who love novelty, this prevents love from falling into monotony. Shared experiences are like adding new chapters to the love story, thickening memories and enriching emotions. Seventh is closeness repeated when passion overflows. There are days when love and desire flood the body. Then intimacy happens not once but multiple times, as if to affirm burning desire. For women, it is not just physical satisfaction but proof of their partner's fervor. They feel deeply wanted and intensely loved. Many couples admit such special days become unforgettable memories, like a flame that continues to fuel stronger love. Eighth is sensory exploration. The human body has 5 senses, and when one is blocked, others heighten. In love, Playing with the senses creates new emotions. A light touch while eyes are closed. A sudden whisper near the ear. Or just the closeness of breath. Such things make women shiver with feeling. This is like a trust game, where she lets her partner guide her emotions. Many admit they enjoy the half-active, half-passive state, slightly losing control yet filled with excitement. It is not only physical stimulation but also psychological exploration as both journey deeper into shared emotions. Dear friends, love and intimacy have no fixed mold. The most important things are understanding, consent, and the will to bring joy to each other. These 8 forms are just common suggestions. Every couple can create and adapt what best suits them. Surely, when both give sincere care, refresh their love, and create varied experiences, the relationship will not only endure but also deepen. That is the true secret to keeping love's flame alive, so that each day together is an exciting and sweet journey. Thank you for watching. Vitality for Men ends today's sharing here. Goodbye, and see you again.